folks, we are here again today at the Pines to show you one of our premium mochas that's currently available for an immediate move-in. Let's check it out. Right here when we get to the door, we see we have both a key lock as well as digital locks, which is super handy if you ever get locked out. As long as you can get in your building, you'll never be truly locked out. Now walking in right here at the door, a super handy location is a nice coat closet for us. Perfect, so right when you walk in the door, you can take off that big old jacket from the Michigan winters. Then right next door is our kitchen. Now take a look at those beautiful appliances, including the microwave for our premium apartments. And check out that gorgeous open concept view here. Right next door to that as well, in addition to all of that wonderful kitchen storage, you get a little extra. So you've got a little pantry here as well. And that's gonna feed out into our dining area. Now you see here, we do have a nice breakfast bar as well. So that way, if you're not a big kitchen table eater, you could throw a couple bar stools up there and easily use this space for anything you'd like or need. Now that takes us, of course, over to our living room proper. We have a nice big space here. And that, what's that over there? Of course, it's the den, because our mochas feature a wonderful den space. Whether or not this is your man cave, your office, or maybe even a temporary guest bedroom, you've got plenty of outlets, lots of space, and a nice little credenza. Now going around out of the living room here, that's going to take us towards the bedroom. And as we see here, nice and handy, of course, central AC. And right next to the bathroom, we have a nice full vanity here, complete with a medicine cabinet. Wonderful. And beautiful gray tile work here in the shower. Then that'll take us here into the bedroom, which is huge. You could comfortably and easily fit a king in here and then some. And if you think that's great, check out the closet. Now this one is easily about 8 feet deep. Comes with shelving there, so all of your storage needs should be met by this guy. Now, of course, we also want you to take note of how much great natural light this apartment gets. And we can thank that to our great big windows, and especially here with this sliding glass door that takes us out to our balcony space. So whether or not you just want a little extra light in the home, or if you love having that outdoor space, the balcony and patio apartments are for you. But that concludes our beautiful tour here of this mocha in our Grey-Scope renovation. If you have any questions, or you'd like to come see this home for yourself, give us a call at 734-434-3455. Thanks so much. Can't wait to see ya.